Beep beep. What is up, ninjas? My name is Samworld, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys a way to get tropical house melodies faster and even better. Now, one of the things that a lot of new producers and even intermediate producers have trouble with is coming up with the rhythm of a melody. We can all hum a catchy melody, and a lot of the times we have something that's catchy, but we find that it just doesn't work. And a lot of times it has rhythms like da 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 da. A very static rhythm. And tropical house and tropical pop is one of those genres where the rhythm really does matter, because that is what's going to separate good melodies away from bad. So let's use this tool to make something really cool, guys, and I hope that you guys enjoy this video. This is going to be a free download as well, so make sure to check it out. And we are going to be using the new Tropical Revolution pack, so make sure to check that out over at evilsounds.com. Let's get straight into it, guys, and I hope that you guys enjoy this tool.
Alright guys, so here I have an example. I have this drop. But I don't have a melody. So what we're going to be doing is using the drop MIDI tool really fast. Which again are just going to be rhythms, and from there we're going to start making a melody very simple. So let's go with this one, maybe drop MIDI number 5. Alright, so we're just going to make a melody here in A minor. So we're there. So we can start making the melody here. Now, essentially we can start on the root note, on the C, on the E, or on the F. It's totally up to you. I'm going to choose to start on the E. Or maybe C. And now we're going to move the notes around, going somewhere. Maybe we can go down to an A. That's too A. Let's see. Let's try E. And then from there, dun 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 dun. We can repeat that. And then da da, and we can start from A, go up to back to this melody we have here. And then move, instead of D, go up to the E to add variation. And then from here we have this kind of dun 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 dun. It's very catchy now. Yeah, so let's do that, and then we're just gonna loop it. I believe it just repeats. Dun 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 dun. Let's end it here. Dun 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 dun. And then again, since we're going to start the melody, we're going into the C. Let's have this go A, C here. Or we can go from the top down as well. Again, moving towards that C there. And then we're just going to repeat it because it's the same rhythm over again there. Let's hear that one more time. There we go. And then from there, we're done with the first melody, and then now let's try making another one. We can go here now with number 4, or let's do, yeah, because that one was number 5. So let's try number 4. And again, guys, the tool is very simple, and we can modify as we go. Let's say you want the rhythm to be different because in your head you're getting inspired. That's the reason why I made this tool, because it just helps so much, especially when we're stuck on what kind of rhythms we need. Now, the cool thing about these rhythms is about 5 of them come from like legit original songs from Kygo and vice versa. I think Matoma and Felix Jan. But then the rest stem from those, so we changed them to go with that. Now, some of them are not going to start on the beat, which is cool because we're so used to doing it. But let's make another cool melody here. So let's just get rid of, turn these off and solo that. Yeah, there we go. So we know we're in A minor. So let's see. Let's start on A this time and maybe go up to an E instead. So let's go. And then, you know, let's just repeat that. Dun 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 dun. You know, something like that. Dun dun dun. You know, there we go. And then again, repeat that. You know, this is the catchy part that we're repeating. So dun 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 dun. You know, so end the melody. Dun 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 dun. And let's see how that sounds like right now. So we're gonna put it on now, and let's hope it sounds good. So as you guys can see, we're just feeding off it. So let's do one more. And if you guys want to download it for free, you can find it over at Evil Sounds. And I'll also put the download link in the description down below, guys. But it's an awesome tool in my opinion because, again, I show this to you guys because it's something I learned and changed my life. And a lot of times what I try to do is if I have sample packs, I'll have midis from them. I'll do the same thing. I'll be like, I don't want the melody, but I want that rhythm. That rhythm is life. So let's try using another one that's more unorthodox. One that has a lot of notes. There we go. This one has a lot. Alright. Alright, that works. So what we're going to do now is play with that. So again, here we're not starting on the root note, so I don't have to start on A or C. I can start on E maybe and work my way down or work my way somewhere. I want to go somewhere with da, 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 da. You know, let's keep doing that. I like that. Maybe back up to E. Or let's do. We got, or maybe A might work. How about we go down instead? So maybe we go dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. You know, and again, you know, I know I'm making very sad melodies because I don't like major scales, guys. That's just my thing. Alright, dun, 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 dun. You know, maybe let's try going up. Nah, I don't like that either. Let's see. Dun, dun, dun. Let's try that. Yeah, that melody does not make sense. There's too much movement going on it. So, go E. Let's try and repeat just these notes here. Go there. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, let's go maybe up here. And then dun, 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 dun. Let's. And I think it's the same rhythm. We're gonna go with that and see what's up. And then from here we can add variation to a G again, but let's try going lower, maybe to a C, and this one to a B, and then these two maybe from here, and this one up here. And we're just gonna add that to it. Man, this reminds me of Scarface in a way. And there we go, another melody. And from there you can add, guys. But I hope you guys enjoy this tool, and I hope that you guys can use it and utilize it in your productions. Hopefully you guys like this trick I showed you.
Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that trick. I've done other ones for like big room and stuff like that, but I wanted to show you guys that it's possible for every genre of music. So if you guys want to download this tool, I'll leave the link in the description as well as in the comments. And if you guys want to support the channel, Tropical Revolution is there. Use these drop MIDI tools with it. You know, make some sick tracks and send them to me on the live stream, guys. Anyways, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys next time, maybe tomorrow, for another video. You guys take care, and you guys have an amazing day.
real quick.